to all Kanamshis out there. Welcome back to my channel. Today's dishes, I prefer to cook a Japanese burger steak from the anime Amaama to Inazuma, aka Sweetness and Lightning. The anime is all about a love of father who raised his daughter alone. His wife died from a known disease. If you are interested to learn more about Japanese cooking, or if you want to say more anime food in reality, please keep on watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification below. Thank you! Let's get started! First is gagawa muna tayo ng patty. Ingredients needed. We can use any kind of ground meat. It's either pork, chicken, or beef. Milk, white onion, breadcrumbs, and egg. 250-gram ground meat. 1 cup breadcrumbs. 1 medium egg. 1 white onion. And 30 ml milk. Put the milk into a breadcrumbs and mix it well. Put olive oil in the pan or any kind of oil as convenient to you. Then fry the chopped onion until it changes to caramel color. Let's combine our ingredients. Ground meat and the breadcrumb mixed with milk. Fried onion. Bet the egg. A pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it well. Knead the patty like this and make it sure that your hands is clean. Do like this to remove the air inside. Repeat all the process until everything is on shape. Let's prepare the frying pan and start cooking our homemade patty. grated garlic, add tomato sauce, or you can use fresh tomato if you want. You can add water, then stir. Add 2 spoons of ketchup, 2 spoons of oyster sauce as well. Add a pinch of pepper and salt. Stir well. Put our burger patty on tomato sauce and then cook it well. It's almost cooked. Smell good and looks so yummy. I'm craving to eat now. Let's prepare a plate and then move our burger patty on a plate. Then add also the tomato sauce. And don't forget to put a topping, sunny side up egg. Oh, looks so yummy. I'm so excited to eat now. Our Japanese burger steak is already cooked and ready to serve. Yum, 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 yum. I'm so excited to eat now. Goodchiso-sama でした。